beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a brand new lip product from ColourPop. Today we're looking at the new Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balms. These are tinted and scented lip balms, my all-time favorite type of lip product, so I'm thrilled. We have 8 different shades, and each color has a different coordinating scent. These are currently available. You can find them on the ColourPop website right now, and these will be coming to Ulta and Target at a later date. I'm not sure when those releases will happen, but you can find these on the ColourPop site now. They're priced at $10 a piece, but you can save 10% on these lip balms with my affiliate code. It's just my first name, Amanda, and that will save you 10% on most things on the site. However, sets, bundles, vaults, value sets are already discounted, so you can't apply a coupon code to those. But if you purchase these balms individually, you can save a little bit by using code Amanda. I want to show you some product close-ups. I'm also going to show you lip swatches and all 8 shades swatched together on my arm. That way you can really compare and contrast the shades. I think it's easier to do that in a comprehensive arm swatch versus seeing these individually on the lips. But I want to give you all the information possible. So let's start first with a close-up look at these lip balms and their packaging, and then we'll get into the swatches. Here's the outer carton, the cardboard packaging. Just in case you are going to shop for these in store in a Target or an Ulta eventually, then you'll know what you're looking for. And there is a little color coordinated sticker on top, as well as obviously this big open window. So you will be able to easily grab the shades that you're most interested in. Each one of these lip balms has color coordinated packaging. So the entire thing, lid and squeezy tube, is different depending on the shade and the scent inside, and they're very easy to differentiate. Plus, the shade names are printed on the tubes here for you too. These squeezy tubes have a nice soft touch matte type of feel, but they don't seem like they're gonna get super dirty or attract a lot of fingerprints. I've been using these for a few days now, and so far I'm happy with the packaging. Here's what the product looks like as it dispenses. Pretty straightforward, probably exactly what you expected. Now I'm going to show you each shade on the lips. First up is Vanilla Cake. You guessed it, this is a very sweet, very confectionery vanilla scent. It smells like delicious frosting to me. I love it. And the shade is clear, so this one would be easy to wear on its own as a lip treatment or even on top of other lip colors, which is a nice option to have. Next, we have one of my personal favorites. This is Caramel Latte, and this is a really light, warm nude shade. Still looks pretty clear on me. These are balms. They're pretty sheer. They're not super heavily pigmented, so you can tell the color a lot more on arm swatches versus actually on the lips because my natural lip color is interfering. So I think a lot of these look really similar, especially this one, Mango Sorbet, which is a sweet mango, and the next shade that we're going to look at, Strawberry Milk. So mango and strawberry are both very, very light colors. Mango is a more of a peachy shade. Strawberry Milk is more of a light pink, but ultimately they both end up looking pretty much clear on the lips. From a scent standpoint, I do slightly prefer the strawberry scent over the mango. The mango one's just a little bit more artificial, in my opinion. A lot of the fruits do have a bit of that sweet, medicinal, artificial scent to them. I don't hate it, but somebody might, so I feel like I should warn you about that. Now we're looking at Watermelon Sugar. This is a bright pink, and this one smells just like a watermelon Jolly Rancher to me. So I really enjoy the scent of this one, even though it's not my most go-to type of color. Now is Cherry Glaze. I think these two look very similar on the lips. They say that Cherry Glaze is a red. It really looks like just a darker pink, both on the lips and in the arm swatch, in my opinion. The next color we're going to look at is my ultimate favorite of all 8 shades, and it's also the one that I'm wearing throughout the talking portions of the video. This is Chocolate Milkshake. It's a nice, warm, nudie brown, and that's really my favorite type of color to wear. And this is absolutely delicious smelling. It smells like straight cocoa powder that you actually mix to make chocolate milk. A lot of these scents have a bit of a nostalgic pull for me, so I do find myself enjoying that quite a bit. The last shade is called Wild Berry. This is a very deep raspberry shade, but I think this one comes off looking more red on the lips than the cherry glaze shade. So if you're looking for a red, maybe veer towards this berry instead, because I think the cherry glaze color looks pretty pink, and that's undeniable here on the arm swatch, in my opinion. As you can see, the 4 lighter shades are pretty similar. I get the most pigmentation, most noticeable look on the lips from Caramel Latte. But overall, I don't think that you need all of these unless you're just a lip balm fiend, which totally understand. No judgment from me, of course. But I do think that just 1 or 2 from this line is the way to go, in my opinion. I'm sure it comes as no surprise that I really, really like these Fresh Kiss lip balms. This was really just created for me to enjoy. ColourPop is one of my all-time favorite brands. You certainly know that by now. And tinted lip balms are my absolute go-to favorite lip formula. I love the scents. I like all of the colors. These all smell really good to me. Personally, I am somebody that likes fragrance in my makeup. I know not everybody loves that, but especially in a lip product like this, I think it really makes a lot of sense. My personal favorites in terms of both the shade and the fragrance are these two, Caramel Latte and Chocolate Milkshake. I can definitely see myself easily using these up, but in my world, these two will be the first to go for sure. These are just a little bit thicker than my Enchanted Autumn lip balms. You can probably tell from when I showed the product being squeezed out. These do hold their shape. They are pretty firm, not sticky, not goopy, but not quite as glowy and glossy looking on the lips as my Enchanted Autumn lip balms. But I really like these too. It's hard to make me hate a tinted lip balm, so I pretty much was guaranteed to like these, and I do. I really enjoy them. I would love to hear what you think about these tinted lip balms. Are you interested? Have you picked them up? Which shade and scent combo is really calling to you the most? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Here comes Magnolia. Here comes Miss Maggie May. She's been on patrol because they dared deliver the mail today. I hate lip swatching a clear thing, but I feel like I have to. Smells just like the Lip Smackers frosting one. You know what I'm talking about? Depending on where you live, caramel, caramel, whatever. You know what I mean. The mango scent, just, it's the most like artificial smelling to me. So I think this is probably my least favorite. Still good. Zoned out there for a minute. Strawberry and mango look exactly alike on me, but I like the strawberry scent a little bit more. Not me liking the pink one. Watermelon sugar high. This one smells like a Jolly Rancher, and I mean that in a good way. Almost done, and then I get to eat some lunch. Woohoo! So the cherry one also has a very artificial scent. It's kind of giving cough drops a little bit. I don't hate that, but it's not really my favorite. It's very pink. They call it red. Hmm. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Huh? Okay. I guess I'll just drop stuff. That helps too. You kind of have to draw a comparison between the two coffee scented ones, right? Now, theirs, Caramel Latte, is a little bit sweeter, whereas Elixir still has that sweetness, but it's definitely a lot more coffee forward. This is the ColourPop version, and this is my lip balm with Fantasy Cosmetica. These are both coffee scented. Very similar. Obviously, I like mine slightly better, but of course, I'm biased. I'm wearing the Gourmand Girls Frozen Kiss palette on my eyes today, and I filmed this look, so I'll have a video with that palette coming soon, if it's not already out. I think this one will go up first, so that one will be soon. Tutorial for this look soon. I really love the way it looks. I feel like a little sugar plum fairy. Also, look at my little snowflake earrings. Aren't they so cute? You can wear them all winter. And the purple. I mean, you can wear them whenever you want, actually. There's not a earring police that's going to stop you from wearing snowflakes in June. If you want to, who's going to stop you, huh? Who? No one, not to. Okay, get it together. That's it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here. There's so much stuff that you could be doing. It's such a crazy time of year. And I think it's really cool that you took a few minutes out of your day to watch this little video that I made. That's awesome. I really appreciate it. I never take that for granted. And I love your face. And I'll see you real soon. Okay? I'll be here. I'll meet you back on the channel. All right. Okay. Get out of here, you crazy kid. I love your face. Okay, bye.